Hey guys, welcome back to Quizzer Academy channel. From baby jumping contests in Spain to tomato fights in Italy, the world is full of bizarre traditions. But can you spot which of these festivals are real celebrations and which ones is fake? Before start, subscribe our channel, let's start the quiz. In Spain, there's a festival where people throw tomatoes at each other until the streets turn red. Lock in your guess. The answer is coming in 3, 2, 1. Every year in Buñol, Spain, thousands join a giant tomato fight. In India, there's a festival where people cover each other in colorful powders and water. Festival fact check loading. Lock your answer. Holi celebrates spring and love with color fights. In the USA, there's a cheese rolling festival where people chase cheese wheels down a steep hill. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting quiz challenges. Cooper's Hill cheese rolling is a dangerous but famous UK tradition. In Mexico, people dress up as skeletons and parade through streets to honor the dead. Like this video if you know the answer. A colorful celebration of ancestors with skull makeup and marigolds. In Switzerland, there's a festival where people wrestle in sawdust wearing traditional shorts. Schwingen Wrestling Festival is a 17th century alpine wrestling tradition still alive today. In Thailand, a festival is dedicated to feeding monkeys a buffet of fruits and snacks. Ready to find out? Let's reveal in 3, 2, 1. Monkey Buffet Festival is held in Lapari. Thousands of monkeys feast on offerings. In Canada, there's a festival where people compete in racing bathtubs on water. Share this challenge with your friends. Bathtub racing. Nanaimo was started in the 1960s as a fun water event, still popular today. In South Korea, there's a festival where people wrestle each other in mud for fun. Bordeaux Mud Festival is started as a cosmetic promotion, now a global mud party. In Finland, there's a contest where men carry their wives through an obstacle course. Wife Carrying World Championship originated in Finland. Winners receive beer equal to wife's weight. In Japan, there's a festival where people wear giant penis costumes to celebrate fertility. This one might surprise you. Kanamara Matsuri, known as the Festival of the Steel Phallus, promoting fertility and protection. In Scotland, a festival celebrates throwing giant logs across fields. Will this be real or just made up? In caber toss at Highland Games, athletes toss heavy logs for distance and accuracy. In Portugal, there's a festival where people pelt each other with water balloons to celebrate summer. Portugal has water festivals, but not a balloon war tradition. In Nepal, a festival involves pulling a 65-foot chariot through the streets with hundreds of ropes. Radha Makindranath Jatra is a centuries-old rain festival in Kathmandu. In Denmark, a festival involves throwing cinnamon powder at unmarried people on their 25th birthday. A quirky Danish custom, especially among youth. In India, there's a festival where villagers chase rolling flaming coconut shells downhill. India has many fire rituals, but no flaming coconut chase. In Japan, people gather in freezing rivers for purification every January. In Kanchu Misogi, participants endure icy water for spiritual cleansing. In Australia, there's a lizard racing festival where people race reptiles instead of horses. Alice Springs Lizard Races is a quirky outback tradition for entertainment. In Russia, a festival celebrates drinking beet soup competitively. Russia loves borscht, but no such beet soup festival exists. In Scotland, villagers smear themselves in soot and feathers before weddings. Fact or fiction? Let's settle it in 3, 2, 1. Pumpkin Boat Regatta, happening in Ludwigsburg, Germany, and some Spanish villages. In China, people celebrate Dog Meat Festival with feasting. Yulin Festival is highly controversial, condemned by animal rights groups. In Indonesia, people dig up relatives' corpses, clean them, and parade them. Hold tight! Answer is right around the corner. Manene Festival is honoring ancestors by dressing and parading them. In Spain, there's a festival where people throw dead rats at each other. Fiesta de la Rata Muerta. El Pug is once popular, now controversial and partly banned. In Italy, villagers dive into freezing rivers holding burning torches. You guessed it? Let's check together in 3, 2, 1. Italy has fire festivals, but no icy fire dive exists. In Turkey, a festival celebrates oil wrestling, where competitors are drenched in olive oil. Kirkpanar Oil Wrestling is one of the world's oldest sports festivals. In Japan, a naked festival has men wearing only loincloths competing for good luck. Last question. Comment second part if you want second part. In Hadaka Matsuri, thousands gather in near nudity to catch sacred sticks.
So how much did you crack Share You score in comments? And don't forget, we're dropping weekly quizzes that unlock epic knowledge and challenge what you think you know. So hit that subscribe button, like, and turn on the bell to stay ahead of the mystery curve.